Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Trend Profit. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to see how to change different types of charts in the trading view, because chart is important part of analysis, whether you are a intraday trader, long-term investor or swing trader. It is always good to have a look of the charts of the stock that you are going to trade or invest. So right now I am in the home page. What you have to do, click on the chart and then it will bring you the chart page. Okay, and now just search for the stock that you are looking for. So right now we are in the HDFC Bank, and in the previous video I have explained how to search stocks and create watch list. So please look those videos if you want to know different way of searching the stock. So coming back to seeing different types of charts. So right now the chart we are seeing is of this, that is also known as candlestick charts, right? So what we can do, we can change it to line chart. So line chart is the simplest form of chart, which is going to simply give you a glimpse of like what is the current trend. So a long-term trend, if you are on the long-term time frame, so right now we are on the monthly time frame. Okay, so as you can see, this is at the going up and up and up again by time, month by month by month. So this is the simple chart, line chart, and it is very easy to understand by seeing the slope or the curve. Like, okay, it is going up, so it is in the uptrend. Right now it is little down, but if you see the long-term trend, it is in the uptrend. But it doesn't give us the more details when it comes to seeing a particular day information, like what was the open price, what was the close price. So for seeing the more detailed view of the price on the chart, mostly people use candlestick charts. So this is the candlestick charts, which I'm going to explain in the upcoming videos what is meaning of these candles. So every candles gives you some information. That's why it is mostly used kind of chart by any trader or investor or the swing trader. So just like candlestick charts, we can go for the bar charts, or we can go for Heniken Asi candlestick chart also. It is kind of different chart, but mostly used chart type is candlesticks and line chart. So instead of going here again and again, what you can do, you can pick few chart type as your favorite. So I like candle and I like line, right? So now it will come in your favorite list, so you don't have to go in the drop down again and again. You can switch from here and here, right? So this is how you can change different types of charts in the trading view. So that was it for how to change chart types in the trading view. Please like and subscribe for the upcoming videos if you want to have financial freedom in your life. So I'm going to make more and more videos, how to use trading view, how to do investment, how to do trading and create a passive income. And so please like and subscribe, and until then, take care, goodbye, and enjoy the beach view after this video. Thank you.